Hey, welcome to episode 86 of Credit 101. In this episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about doing complaints with the CFPB. This can help you fix your credit problems and your financial problems too. So if you have certain things you feel like companies are treating you correctly or fairly, then you can definitely come here. Again, consumerfinance.org/complaint. That's where you're going to go. And if you scroll down, then you'll see where it says start a new complaint. This is a great website, a great resource for you guys. Most companies are going to respond in 15 days. When they see something from the CFPB, it's something very, very serious to them. So they want to respond right away. So you guys can definitely do complaints with the CFPB. They're going to ask you a few questions. You can also look up the company because they look up the company information ahead of time. Just Google the information to make sure that you are picking the correct company. Tell them exactly what's going on. And then they are going to follow with the company. And most companies are going to respond within 15 days. You can do this with the credit bureaus. A lot of people do it with their mortgage. If they try to do a loan modification, it wouldn't go through, or whatever the case may be. I want you guys to just come here, check this out, and then check out other videos. Maybe there's other videos out there about this. You can do your complaint online, or you can just call them over the phone. Like, say if you're just nervous, you don't know how to take nothing in, just call them and say, hey, this is what the problem is. And then they'll do everything for you. It's going to take a little longer, but as long as you get it done, that's all I care about. So they're going to be open from 8 to 8, Monday through Friday, except federal holidays. So definitely call them if you're having problems. This was a main one for the credit bureaus. Say if the credit bureaus want doing certain things, you can always do a complaint with them, and then they'll follow up with the credit bureaus. Sometimes the credit bureaus will give you like a basic response, like we're going to follow up with you directly via mail and things like that, but at least do this for a paper trail. You guys can also do the Better Business Bureau, so BBB. Look them up also, and you can do a complaint on there about whichever company you want to do a complaint about. And then those two things can really help you start getting the ball rolling depending on your situation. Now, if you do have fraud, look up FTC because that may be another one you want to look into. But you can also do scams and fraud and stuff like that on here too. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. But definitely check out this website because I think it'll be very, very beneficial to you. And all you have to do is just call them, okay? So it'll be very, very beneficial. I'll see you guys in episode 87.